3 a.m. right now, and I'm with my cousin Joey, and it's 3:03 a.m. right now. 3:04. The hell? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It's like banging.
I don't know.
Okay. Well,
I don't know what it is.
I'm gonna color at 3 a.m. So, okay, so I'm gonna color. I'm gonna color.
Oh.
Wait,
What's that?
did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm actually really scared
I
right
was-
now.
I was at the dinner deal looking at the flowers and something was in it.
Yeah, because like we have these flowers right here.
Yeah, it looks weird, but like in there
Yeah,
there's
'cause, like,
nothing.
Because there's like usually stuff in there. We don't know. So we're really scared. Whoa, I tripped.
Guys. Even a fish are terrified.
I know. Look at your fishies.
Look, they're terrified. Look, I'll turn on the light. Yeah, look, they're terrified. Go back to bed, guys.
Okay. It's 3:05 a.m. It's here. And now I'll give you proof. It's 3 a.m. See, it's really dark out. Are you kidding me, Joey? Just no. Okay, well, we're gonna end this video right now.
Bro, that was not me.
I know, you were like right here with me. You were like walking with me. I'm actually dying. Okay, well, we're gonna go to bed. So, goodbye. Have a good day.
No.